Cacao, the gift of the tropics. This humble tree is the source of one of the world's most beloved treats, chocolate. Chocolate starts its journey as a colorful pod on the cacao tree. These pods are not just any ordinary fruit, they are the beginning of a complex and fascinating process. These trees thrive in the warm, humid tropics close to the equator. The equatorial belt provides the perfect environment for cacao trees to flourish, with its consistent temperatures and abundant rainfall. Picture lush rainforest with tall trees providing shade for the cacao below. This canopy is essential, as it protects the delicate cacao trees from the harsh rays of the sun. The cacao tree is a delicate one, needing specific conditions to flourish. It requires a fine balance of sunlight, shade, and moisture to grow healthily. Too much sun? No good. The cacao tree's leaves can wilt and burn under intense sunlight, making it crucial for them to have adequate shade. Not enough rain? Forget about it. Without sufficient rainfall, the cacao tree struggles to survive, as it relies heavily on consistent moisture. Getting these conditions just right is part of what makes chocolate so special. Farmers must carefully monitor and maintain the environment to ensure the trees produce high-quality pods. These pods, which can be red, yellow, or even purple, hold the treasure inside cocoa beans. Each pod is a vibrant testament to the tree's health and the care it has received. Each pod contains about 20 to 40 beans nestled in a sweet, white pulp. This pulp is not only a protective layer but also a delicious treat in its own right. This pulp is delicious on its own and hints at the magic within the beans. The beans themselves are the true stars, destined to be transformed into the chocolate we all know and love. From the moment they are harvested, these beans embark on a journey that involves fermentation, drying, roasting, and grinding, each step unlocking more of their potential. The result is the rich, complex flavor that makes chocolate so irresistible. So next time you savor a piece of chocolate, remember the humble cacao tree and the tropical paradise it calls home. The art of harvesting pods. Harvesting cacao pods is a delicate task, often done by hand. Farmers use sharp knives to carefully cut the pods from the tree, making sure not to damage the branches. It's important to pick the pods at the perfect ripeness to ensure the best flavor. Once the pods are harvested, they are gathered into baskets and taken for processing. The real transformation is about to begin. Fermentation, a flavor transformation. The next step is fermentation, a crucial process that develops the chocolate flavor we know and love. The beans, still encased in their pulp, are placed in large boxes or covered piles. The pulp begins to ferment naturally, creating heat and attracting microorganisms. This fermentation process lasts for several days, transforming the bean's flavor profile and reducing bitterness. The exact duration and method of fermentation vary depending on the desired flavor and the traditions of the region. Sun-kissed beans, the drying process. After fermentation, the beans, now a deep brown color, are spread out in the sun to dry. This is a crucial step in the journey from raw cacao to the chocolate we all love. The beans are carefully laid out on large mats or drying racks, ensuring they are exposed to the sun's rays. This drying process can take several days or even weeks depending on the weather conditions. If the weather is sunny and dry, the beans can dry relatively quickly. However, if it is cloudy or rainy, the process can be prolonged, requiring constant attention to ensure the beans do not develop mold. The sun's warmth removes excess moisture from the beans, preventing mold and preserving them for further processing. The drying process is not just about removing moisture, it also plays a vital role in developing the bean's flavor profile. The heat from the sun helps to bring out the rich, complex flavors that are essential for high-quality chocolate. Turning the beans regularly ensures even drying and helps develop their characteristic flavor. Workers use rakes or their hands to mix the beans, making sure that each one is evenly exposed to the sun. This constant movement is essential to prevent any beans from becoming too dry or too moist. The aroma of drying cacao beans is intoxicating, filling the air with a rich, chocolatey scent. As the beans dry, they release a fragrance that hints at the delicious chocolate they will eventually become. This scent is a sign that the beans are drying properly and developing the flavors that will make them perfect for chocolate production. Once the beans are completely dry, they are ready for roasting. Roasting is a critical step that brings out the rich, complex flavors of chocolate. The beans are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures, usually in large rotating drums. The roasting time and temperature vary depending on the type of bean and the desired flavor profile. The aroma of roasting cacao beans is truly intoxicating, filling the air with the comforting scent of chocolate. After roasting, the beans are cracked open to remove the outer shell and reveal the nibs inside. This is often done using a machine that separates the lighter shells from the heavier nibs. The nibs are the heart of the chocolate, containing the cocoa butter and cocoa solids that will eventually become our beloved treat. The leftover shells, called cacao husks, are often used as a natural mulch or brewed into a tea-like beverage. The cacao nibs are then ground into a thick, rich paste called chocolate liquor. This is where the magic truly happens. The heat generated during grinding melts the cocoa butter in the nibs, transforming them into a smooth, liquid form. Chocolate liquor is the pure essence of chocolate, containing both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. It can be further processed to create different types of chocolate, depending on the desired flavor and texture. The chocolate liquor is then conched, a process that further refines its flavor and texture. Conching involves stirring the chocolate liquor in large, heated tanks for several hours, or even days. This constant stirring helps to distribute the cocoa butter evenly throughout the chocolate, resulting in a smoother, more velvety texture. Additional ingredients, such as sugar, milk powder, and vanilla, are also added during the conching process to create the desired flavor profile. Before chocolate can be molded into bars, it needs to be tempered. Tempering is a precise process that involves heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures. This process ensures that the cocoa butter crystallizes in a stable form, resulting in a glossy finish, a firm snap, and a smooth melt-in-your-mouth texture. Tempering can be done by hand or using a machine, and it requires careful attention to detail to achieve the perfect results. Finally, the tempered chocolate is poured into molds. This step is crucial as it determines the final shape and texture of the chocolate. The molds come in various shapes and sizes, allowing chocolatiers to create a wide range of chocolate products from simple bars to intricate designs. The chocolate is then left to cool and harden. This cooling process is carefully monitored to ensure the chocolate sets perfectly, achieving the right snap and shine. Once the chocolate is set, it is carefully removed from the molds, revealing the beautifully crafted pieces. Each piece is then wrapped in foil or paper to protect it from light, air, and moisture, which can affect its quality and taste. The wrapping not only preserves the chocolate but also adds an element of presentation, making each bar look as good as it tastes. The wrapped chocolate bars are then packaged with care. These packages are then shipped to stores around the world, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers everywhere. The journey from the cacao bean to the finished product is a long and meticulous one, involving many steps and a lot of dedication. From the humble cacao bean to the finished chocolate bar, the process of making chocolate is a true art form. It requires skill, precision, and a deep understanding of the ingredients and techniques involved. Each step is performed with great care to ensure the highest quality. The passion for creating delicious treats is evident in every piece of chocolate. Chocolatiers pour their heart and soul into their work, striving to create the perfect balance of flavor and texture. The result is a product that brings joy and satisfaction to chocolate lovers around the world.